What up, YouTube? This is your president. The Presidential Tourist, back with their drink review taste test video. Mountain Dew has recently come out with some new Mountain Dew flavors. The Baja line. Mountain Dew... I keep saying Baja, but I've been told it's Baja. I don't think it really matters. A Mountain Dew Baja Laguna Lemonade. Dew with a blast of natural artificial mango lemonade flavor. How much you want to bet this is going to be yellow? Let's give it a try. Yeah, yellow. A little bit of a darker one. Ooh. You definitely smell more mango than lemonade. Definitely taste mango. But you do taste lemon too. Sweet, definitely. I have to say. Has a little bit of that tart of a lemonade. I gotta say, I really like it. Ooh. That is fantastic, actually. Yeah, it has the tartness of a lemonade, but you definitely taste not just the lemon flavor, but the mango too. Darn. That is amazing. It's a really cool can too. Look at that, all those decorations. It's a work of art. I wish they'd be able to get, they make prints of these, because I think it just looks so cool. Look at that bird right there. Awesome. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. That's it. Every time they come out with a new flavor, I'll definitely review it for you. I reviewed the other Baja flavor, the new one that came out. It'll be in a separate video, but I'm going to upload these both at the same time. Alright. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thank you. See ya. Bye.